Good morning students, my name is Leena Shinde. I have done my masters in biotechnology. I have been teaching for the last 10 years. I also train teachers and I am into management. Students, today we are going to learn about inheritance and variation. Have you ever wondered why you look like your parents? Or have you ever wondered why an elephant always gives birth to a baby elephant, or why a chicken always gives birth to a baby chick? Or a mango plant produces just a mango seed and not orange? Give it a thought. Given that the offsprings are identical to their parents, we also know that they show some differences. For example, if you have a sibling, you don't always look like them. But you have also seen that twins are identical to each other. Then let us learn some more about how these traits are passed on from our parents to the children. This branch of biology, which deals with heredity, is known as genetics. Humans knew from as early as 8000 to 1000 BC that one of the causes of variation was hidden in sexual reproduction. They exploited the variations that were naturally present in the wild population of plants and animals. This meant they selectively bred and selected organisms that possessed desirable characters. From ancestral wild cows, we have well-known Indian breeds, example Sahiwal cows in Punjab. We must, however, recognize that though our ancestors knew about inheritance of characteristics and variation, they had very little idea about the scientific basis of this phenomena. It was during the mid-19th century that headway was made in the understanding of inheritance. A monk named Gregor Johann Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years. This was in the period between 1856 and 1863. He proposed the laws of inheritance in living organisms. During his investigations into inheritance patterns, it was for the first time that any statistical analysis and data was obtained. His experiments had large sampling size, which made them very authentic and credible. Also, the confirmation of his inferences from the experiments on successive generations of his test plants proved that his results pointed to general rules of inheritance rather than being unsubstantiated ideas. He investigated characters in the garden pea plant that were manifested into two opposing traits. Then he conducted artificial pollination, that is the cross pollination experiments, using several true breeding tree lines.